on, fish, run with it. You get my bait off already. Come on, take it, run with it. I cut my GoPro on to get it recorded and he stopped hitting it. Just send it to me through my through the message. Text message, messenger is the one. Oh, look there. See, there he goes again. It must be a baby. Popped it against my rod. Won't run with it. Come on, fish. Make it run. Well, must have got my bait on. Yeah, he got my bait laughing at me. Alright everybody, I'm gonna have to rebait. If you wanna know what I'm using for bait, yeah, good old hot dog with strawberry Kool-Aid mixed up in a Ziploc bag, and then I put some garlic salt on it. They were hitting it really good today. So let's see. I'm gonna rebait, see if I can catch another one. I call it a third one, but I wasn't about to put it on the vlog. I swear the catfish was the smallest baby catfish I ever caught in my life. I can't believe he popped my cork. Unless it was a big fish that popped my cork, and the little one said, "I'm gonna steal this from the big catfish," and that was funny. I don't know how that happened, but my mom still takes the cake though. 2 fish at one time, she still takes the cake. I'm going down toward the bank against the dam over here. I was hoping that maybe there'll be a big one laying down at the bottom down there, but I'll just have to wait and see, and maybe I'll get lucky. Let's see what happens. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, everybody. My mom's got number 13.
13 might be a look. It might be a lot. Maybe it's a little bit bigger. It's not wanting to come up.
Well, you get it close enough, I'll help you.
Oh my God.
You was having that much trouble with that?
That little thing.
Fishy, 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 fishy.
I thought I done had me a whopper. Number 13. I'm killing y'all.
My dad says she better stop doing that. Oh, I got water on my screen, but luckily it's waterproof. This thing's supposed to be waterproof 30 feet.
He had my sinker in his mouth too.
But this thing's supposed to be waterproof up to 30 feet. I ain't gonna test it though. Do what, Dad? Oh, why'd you do that for, Dad?
It felt like a good one to him. Then I got it in. It wasn't nothing. It tricked me.
I had a good bite, everybody, and he got my bait off. He didn't run with it, so I had to rebait. Hopefully he'll run again in a minute. It is 1:23, so I got about 3 hours more fishing. 3.5. Of course, if I leave at 5 o'clock exactly, because sometimes they line up at 5 o'clock for that carp fishing tournament, for the night tournament. Sometimes you have to get out of here before they start lining up. But all right, everybody, on that note, we'll be right back. What's up, everybody? My mom wanting to catch another one. She ain't caught one in a little bit. She don't want to stop on 13. Oh, look at there. Oh, weenie or cut bait? Let me get my.
Yeah, he ain't no big one.
Oh, he ain't no big one?
No.
Oh. I thought it was a huge one for a minute.
That's still a good one, Tracy.
Hey, that's still a pretty one.
That's pretty.
Look at there. You want me to get them out for you?
Yeah.
Just hold them.
Nice.
All right, come here. That's pretty. That's a pretty blue.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's one in blue channel.
He was raising it up. I said, I'm gonna put it in.
Here, you hold. Just hold that for me.
Is that the way to hold it?
No.
The other way.
See, right here's my.
Oh, okay. That's 3.
That's good, Dad. At least you got 3, and
I never caught him.
fishy, fishy, fishy. Fishy, fishy, fishy. The fish are biting today. What do you say? Oh, got my hands.
Look at there. That mud's dropping.
He pulled on it. He's dropping it, Mom.
Didn't you say to pull when he jerk it when he does that?
You gotta pull as he's dropping.
Oh.
Come on, wind, stop. Wind's starting to blow now a little bit.
Well, you got a nice.
Come on, big fishy fishy. We having a ball.
I can't even see if it's you. How do I know I'm getting you?
You are. It's widescreen.
Okay. He's got a big one, we hope.
I don't think he's that
It ain't.
big.
Coming into it, he ain't.
They trick us.
He took off like he was big, but
I think he is. We wouldn't cut up like that, ain't
yeah.
Oh
Whoa.
no!
it? Look out me.
Damn.
What happened?
He pulled the hook out.
I pulled the darn hook out.
Oh no.
Ah! Man. It had to be a small one for me to pull it out of his mouth like that, unless I just barely had him hooked.
Barely had him hooked.
Well, I just lost number 4, y'all.
Oh, man,
Well,
that's awful.
and I didn't have it out. It wasn't out there but 2 minutes. Well, let's try it again. That was sad of me, y'all. I had my number 4, had my 4 fish. I should have let them play out, and it wasn't no small one it was bigger than what I've been catching. I mean, it felt like at least, I don't know, 7 or 8 pounds maybe. I couldn't see it at the top, you know, I didn't get him to the top, so. But that was a good run. He took my cord straight up, took off, turned my rod, so that was a good run. My mom's trying her best to get 14. She's stuck on 13 fish right now. Ain't that right, Mom?
Yep. I don't want to be leaving 13.
But I really hate that. Oh, something's pulling at it again. Maybe I'll have a run while I'm sitting here with the camera on. That'll be good. He barely, oh, my dad's got one.
Yours.
Yeah, watch mine.
I'll watch yours.
Where's my net?
Really?
Okay.
We ain't getting them big ones.
I know. The big ones are hiding from us, y'all. We've catching plenty of.
That's pretty good size, though.
Yeah, but we want the 20, 30 pounders. We don't want these little small ones. Oh, he took the minnow, didn't he?
Yeah, I thought maybe I had a good fish, but no, full fish thing.
Hold that for a second.
Alright.
He's a talking. Fishy. Alright, I need mine to run again. But this time get him in. That's 4 for my dad. We would have, like I say, I missed my 4th one. So come on, fishy, fishy, fishy. Let's keep on going. We ain't got much longer to go. It's going I don't know, 2:30, going on 3 o'clock. So let's go fish. Point it toward us.
Okay. God, he's going way over here in mine.
Better reel it in.
I can't. I've got the GoPro.
That's a good fish.
Dude.
I don't care if it goes in mine.
Don't do that.
No.
I don't want to get tangled up in your line, no.
Reel it in, Mom.
I can't.
Why can't you reel
I'm
it in?
holding this.
Oh.
That's a good fish.
There he goes, right in the Mama's line.
I'm holding it up.
Come on, baby, stay on.
Going way over here.
Keep it going.
He's running away, Dad.
Oh my goodness. Oh my. Can't see him no more. Can't see him no more. Oh God, please stay on.
He's double hooked, that's why.
That's why it felt so good.
That's a nice fish.
Pretty catfish.
Yeah. That hook out
Yeah,
of
you mess around with it.
No, stop. Stop, turn you. Thing. You got a right though. Tail. I can't.
Make sure ain't nothing on it, a pin or nothing.
I'm looking. You want me to weigh him?
No.
I don't see no pin or nothing.
I don't know.
Yeah. That's a good one though.
You sure fought hard.
Let me get him on the.
Fought harder than you might if you
Yeah, that's a good one there. Heck yeah, my dad caught this and we ain't gonna weigh it, but he feels a good 8 pounds. 8 or 9 pounds. Now look, he just got himself tangled up.
That was a nice one.
Woo.
What you catch it on?
Hot dog.
Well, at least we got a good run. My dad got a good fish at least. Action today. At least this is gonna be a good vlog today, this time at least. All right, everybody. I'm gonna fix my line and rebait, and let's see what we can do. Some more fish.
Did it, this red light.
Yeah, it's going.
Any sign?
I don't know. I can't tell you.
You can hit him way down there.
He's fighting, going toward that pipe. No, I would be able to tell if it's 40 pounds. He's not 40 pounds. No, he's probably not even. If anything, maybe 6. He's not that big good, I don't think. Unless my rod's that damn good.
You can tell by the weight of it. When you pull up, is it heavy?
A little bit, but not no 30 pound heavy.
A carp.
Tell me they wasn't no carp penetration.
Well, I didn't think they were.
You caught a carp.
You caught a carp. If he gets it in here, I want that damn hook to pop out on me.
Good God,
Whoa. Damn carp can fight, boy. There he is.
A big old carp. Well, you know.
8, 9.
I can't believe that. I ain't at the carp lake.
A carp.
Carp demonstration.
Look at that thing. Look at that.
He either goes 7, 8, 9, or 10 pounds. He goes about 10 pounds, 8 or 9. I don't know. Weigh him.
Huh? A carp? Let me wipe my hands off right quick.
Well, he caught him a carp. And he's at a catfish lake.
Another fishy for Tracy.
Can't believe
I
it.
got my 4th one.
Lord, please let the Tylenol help my pain in my head. And I pray that in my head.
All right, everybody, fishing for catfish, and up here at the catfish lake, and I catch a freaking carp. But that's all right. That was a fun fight,
Oh, the big
and I
old
caught
carp.
something. So let's try to catch some more.
I ain't got him double hook.
I ain't gonna throw mine out until
Straight on good.
get it in.
What flavor is yours?
Cherry.
Cherry.
Cherry and strawberry, the flavor of the day.
Trying to tighten my reel up, it's loose. Trying to get him back over this way, son.
Yeah, he's going right to Mama's line.
Yeah.
He's already crossed Mama's line.
Oh no.
You're gonna get in everybody's line.
One of yours now, Tracy.
Where's my reel loose? There's a little bitty booger out of there. Oh no, damn. He's got it.
Hey, it ain't that damn little one. Unless you got a carp too.
My damn reel's about to fall off. Damn, Tracy, that's a
Trying to reel in.
You got the 30 pounder there?
No, but I don't know what I got.
Trying to reel mine in. Okay, you ain't gotta worry about mine now.
About damn 40.
Mom, hold this GoPro. I drop in that lake, I'll be pissed.
I don't really know. I don't know what it is inside now. It feels heavy. Never get to see him.
Yeah, we ain't cut to the top yet.
I ain't got no lines in the water, so you gotta worry.
Damn, he ain't come up yet.
He ain't come up yet.
Afraid to pull on him too hard.
Yeah, I know.
Man, let it be the big bull. Yeah, I almost got a glimpse of him.
I didn't.
Oh my
Got him
God.
hooked in the tail, ain't he?
I'm looking at the wrong thing.
I thought he was a big one.
Hey, that's
That
still
is
good.
a big one.
Cause I got him hooked in the tail.
That's a big one.
That's a decent one, Dan.
That's a nice catfish.
Yeah, you got him right smack into the tail.
Got him in the tail and the mouth.
Oh, I bet that hurts.
Sorry about that, buddy. Just accidentally got hooked in the bum.
Ain't nothing on him.
I lost a hook somewhere. Is it in him?
Nope.
Look. See?
God.
Wow.
It must be in his butt somewhere.
It probably is. Yeah, it's about 8 or 9 pounds there.
Tighten my reel up. It's loose or something.
a nice catfish,
No
huh?
wonder the damn thing about to come on.
Oh God.
Now it's tight.
Come on. Get out of my net.
Alright, Kane, I got the GoPro right now. Wait a minute.
Coming out
He
of
ain't
the net.
coming out. He don't want to come out of the net. He don't want to come out of that net, does he?
Ooh,
Hear
that's
him
a
talking?
pretty catfish.
God.
I kind of thought you had that 30-pounder for a minute there.
Oh, I had him hooked.
Yeah.
Had him in the tail and the mouth.
Well, if
You
you
had
did, if you had it in
extra-
the mouth, it probably broke.
Had him extra hooked.
All right, everybody. My dad just caught another one. He probably weighed about 8 or 9 pounds. But no pin in it. No money. But they biting our bait pretty good today. They like the strawberry and cherry flavor, so we still got a little bit of time. Not a whole lot more time, but let's see if we can catch a couple more good ones before we leave. Catch you in a minute. Hey, 83.
83. Damn, I hope that actually comes off a bucket. He'll die in there if it don't.
I bet it
stays
will.
cool in there.
I bet it
Look at
come on.
that.
Look at that. They just up and down, up and down,
It's
up and
a
down.
baby one. It's gotta be.
Come on, fish. Give Mama her 14 so she won't have to go home with 13. She don't want that unlucky 13. Oh.
If it would just take off and run with it.
Yeah, he just pecking
They
at
just
it.
playing with it.
I want to see another good run before I leave. Jerk my rod and pull the far out of it.
Good nigga.
He's playing with it, Mom. That's what them little ones do, they drive you
Yeah.
crazy.
Yeah. Get them chicken livers
I know.
off of it.
Ain't your reels Abby Garcia there?
No.
What reels is yours?
Off brand.
Okay.
They're bait catching reel off. They got
Yeah.
a name to them. I can't even
My
remember.
face.
Everybody, my
Yin Yang or something like that.
Anyway, my dad's got Thunderbirds like me, but his is way bigger than mine.
They get the job done.
But they good reels.
I got my
These-
Zebco 33. I like my Zebco.
If you're going to fish for big fish, you need the thumb burner. They,
Or either 404s, real big.
Yeah.
404s,
I
something.
cannot
my
fish.
Abby Garcias have 5 gears in it, so
I can't fish with thumb burners.
I can handle.
I still got the boxes. These come in. I can tell you if I had the box, what all the gear ratios and all are. But I don't know. They get the job done.
Yeah.
All it counts.
At least it's been a good day, everybody. Y'all get to see some good amount of fish.
Them rods were $25 a piece.
Oh yeah, that's about the price for them nowadays.
I got them at back. Yeah.
You probably got. I'm gonna
That's
take
where I got
some of
mine
those
at years
in
ago, and they were $20.
Put some, put
It went
some
up $5.
Yeah.
hot dog winnies on.
But at least this vlog is gonna be a whole lot better than our last trip here.
Yeah.
You know, between all of us, what? Over 20 fish between all 3 of us, so that's pretty cool.
Every time I bring this in, it's tangled up.
But don't hook me now.
I'll try not to. Where's them hot dog winnies?
I don't know what you do with them.
Them chicken livers is Daddy got them.
Huh?
Hot dog winnies.
Oh, you want them?
Yeah, I might as well put it. I ain't got no more chicken there, but it's nothing but soggy mess. Get me a couple.
I hit my sore toe every time.
Dad,
Oh, that's
quit hitting your sore toe.
ain't already sore enough.
But it feels good in this shade, everybody. But it's pretty toasty in that standing in the sun.
Lord, please let that air come off the buses.
I like to be here one night though.
Yeah, I know
Stacy
y'all-
and
Yeah, but can you fish over here at night?
I think so.
'Cause he said y'all got till 5 o'clock.
Yeah, 'cause we came early this morning.
You can pay from 5 on till
9 to 5 is 8 hours. We paid 8. That's why you pay $8. If you came this evening, you could fish tonight probably. Because them girls have. Them other girls have.
Going across me.
Huh?
You come close, going across. You might be across me. I don't know.
They really in?
Just a little bit.
I went
Those
straight
girls
out.
fish here at nighttime, Dad,
That's
and
good. You don't have to relay no more.
they got videos. I mean, pictures on Facebook. People here fishing at night. So
Really? Well, I figure you have to pay again if you want to fish at night.
yeah,
That ain't right.
or
Pay damn dollars real hell.
yeah, I know. You should be able to stay as long as you want. Yeah, that's the only thing I don't like about that here. All right, everybody. I will be back. Maybe we'll have another fish on. Baby.
Is he a wiener schnitzel?
I didn't even get the fork on it.
That's pretty good fish.
Yeah.
That's not no little bitty fish.
No, but
Good keeper fish. Good eating fish. You keep it.
ain't no baby. I mean, it ain't no big no.
There's probably some big ones over there.
Hey, did you throw it out? As soon as you throw it out, you must have thrown it right in his mouth.
You must have hit him on the head and made him.
I'm telling you, that's where they at.
He's bleeding. You pulled his mouth.
Still no pin.
I don't think there's any damn fish.
Many fish we catch, we will see one with a pin eventually.
Yeah, I know.
I don't think there's any in here.
I don't think they are either.
All right, go ahead and cut it off, Mom. All right, everybody, that's some good fishing. You know you're having a good day fishing when you throw it out. And y'all was fixing my line, and I didn't even get my cork on. And he done took off with it. So that's been a good day.
Back hurts now.
Worth my money today.
Ain't nobody hardly fishing right there in the front, are
I
they?
know, right there.
Well, I see 2 people.
Yeah, but they were.
Come on.
There's usually lined up.
I'm gonna redo
Most of them's on that other part, or on this side.
All this is together. I mean, they don't count one pond for that. You know, they catch. It's all just one pond, right?
What are you talking about?
When they pay for the jackpot, it's just if you catch it in that lake or catch it in that lake, it don't matter.
It don't matter, yeah. It's both the lakes are. Yeah, it's getting a little warm out here, everybody. Nice day out here. Let's try to catch it on before we leave. Well, everybody, it's going on 4 o'clock. We won't be here much longer. My stomach's a growling. Getting a little hungry now.
Yeah,
I didn't eat no breakfast this morning. I ate a bag of chips, but I'm about to starve now. I'd like to have at least one more good run before I leave. And I can't believe I caught a carp. Can't believe that. I didn't think there was any carp in this lake, but I got food. But I hope everybody's having a wonderful day today, because I am. We're just hot. It's really hot out here today. I hope it's decent where you at, Kelly R. If you, man, I'm probably saying the name wrong. She lives up north. They just got done with all that snow, Mom. Beautiful,
Snow?
beautiful, yeah. And they live on a beautiful area. It's beautiful. I don't know exactly where they live at, but she shows was showing their land, and she had this bird. I forget what she called it, but it was on top of a chimney thing, and it was like a woodpecker here, but it's not a woodpecker. They called it another name, and it was sitting there pecking her chimney. It was pretty cool. But hopefully we'll catch another fish. If not, I'll be back to end this vlog. We will return. Alright, everybody. It's after 4 o'clock. We had a good day. We've caught over 20 about 20 something fish, all three of us together. So we had a wonderful day. It's about time to get out of here. I'm gonna go home and work on this vlog. It's gonna take me probably a little while. It's gonna be a long vlog. Sorry about that, but a lot of good fish. So y'all have a fantastic day. Hit that like button. Come back and see me.